Hello, my dear and most admirable of hobbits. Today we have a special unboxing video. I've got about a total of 7 things to unbox, including 4 paper things here. But the most special and unique of them would be this one here, which comes from a mysterious TREBUCHETS-R-US from a local town. I don't necessarily recognize. I just realized the address is fake too. Unless someone got really lucky. 1492 Columbus Avenue. Who would do this? I love this. So, whatever is here from TREBUCHETS-R-US, we're going to open last because this is going to be something great. But we got a lot of other things to open. We got this nice long one here. We got, I'm sure these 3 here are postcards. This one I'm not sure about. This one could be one coming from, I thought it was one from England, but it's actually not. It's from Delaware, so I don't know what that's about. And this one came from Goodwill, so we'll see what those are. I actually had a really fantastic, today work was horrible, stressful, annoying. Bad day. We'll have a good one tomorrow. You and me both. And I had a really fantastic history-related Saturday. It was fantastic. I made Viking shields. I reached out to a few smiths about making some medieval fish hooks. I spoke with some of the movers and shakers in the historical swordsmanship world, HEMA world. It was awesome. Plus, I got to make some Viking shields, which I was going to show you, but now I think I'll wait until it's fully finished and then I'll reveal them. But just want to say, even though today was a bad day for me, and even if you guys might be having a bad day today or tomorrow or whatever, you also had some really great days too recently. So hopefully this video will help you along and help me along. Let's start with one of these postcards. I kind of want to rapid fire through the postcards because I'm really excited about what's going to be in these boxes. But we will see. First up, a postcard coming from Iowa, Newton, Iowa. I did recently get a bunch of postcards for both fishing and swordsmanship that are relating to holidays. So we'll see what those are about. This might be one of them. From Refried Jeans. Oh. No.com.com. Refried Jeans. Okay. Oh, this is... I was on the border about buying this one. Oh man, it's a lot of writing. I'm not going to waste our time by reading it. Grand Rapids, 1910. I was on the border with getting this one. Canal between Fisk and Reed Lakes, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Look at the, oh man, there. You can kind of barely see it, but I decided to get this one because, one, it is serene, the image. That's also a boat of women fishing from 1910, which I love that. I love and encourage that. And there's just, I didn't realize how much writing there was all over this. See if I can. Will write you a letter as soon as I get to felding at myself again. I'll have to read this. This one's got some fancy cursive on it, though. I don't know if I can read that as quick as possible, but I will probably make a post on the Fishing Museum and Cultural Center about that one. Very cool. I'm very happy to get that one. I was very lucky about that. All right, what else we got? Let's do one more postcard, and then we'll open up one of these packages. Let's see what we got in this long one. See, the cool thing about I think a lot of historians really like postcards. I was chatting with another museum curator over the weekend, and he had a bunch of postcards too, and I think we were both on the same page where they're just fun. They are awesome. I mean, they're a dime a dozen, but they are a ton of fun. This is another Grand Rapids postcard. I recently got these because I want to start advertising the Fishing Museum and Cultural Center locally to Grand Rapids areas, so I got this one. And what's neat about this, if I identify it right, I'm going to angle it so you guys can kind of see it. Fish hatchery up here in Grand Rapids. I am about 100% certain that this fish hatchery here is the one that's at Dwight Liddell Park just up the street. The date on this one is 1912. And the Dwight Liddell Park recently just did some renovation to remove about 100 years of fish hatcheries in there and make it more of a natural area. I don't know if I necessarily like that. I think the fish hatcheries are part of the history of the region, but far be it from me. Nonetheless, this is very cool because Livy and I, we've gone fishing at this park not too long ago. And it's just so cool to have something here showing that it's a fish hatchery from more than 100 years ago. I love it. I just think it's something that you can get connected to history about. You know, just what we did. We did that recently. So anyway, that is fun. Let's open up one of these packages. I'm gonna choose this one here. Livy was playing with this one earlier today and kind of slammed it on the ground, so we will see. But I am pretty certain that this is some fishing rods for the upcoming fly fishing and other fishing classes. See if we can pop this baby out. Maybe not. There we go. What have we got in here? It's loud. Very cool. Oh, I must have purchased 2 fly poles from one eBay seller, and they decided instead of fusing the shipping together, they would just ship them the same and not tell me. But these are very cool. I like that there's a lot of fishing companies in the Midwest region. This one would be from South Bend, Indiana, which is, about an hour and a half from here. Pretty neat. Fly fishing rod, not that vintage, maybe 70s. This one looks a little bit older, maybe 50s, but both of these are going to be very cool for the fishing classes, and probably one of the first sets of fly fishing rods I have that haven't needed work on to make them good. So, cool. Let's open up another paper. Last postcard of the lot, unless I get a big postcard in that other one. Let's see what we got here. I have to be careful. I don't want to actually cut it. I don't think I will. It's just one piece of paper. It's funny. I said I was getting a bunch of holiday cards, and I don't even know if I did. Yeah. This is literally the same holiday New Year's card that I just bought. Did I buy 2 of them? Oh, no. I did buy this one. I used the photo online to advertise. I forgot about that. But anyway, this is a very cool one. I already shared the image on the Fishing Museum. Very cool. I just love the serenity of it. Just the guy fishing on this quiet night. It says Happy New Year at the top. There are a lot of words on the back. This is December 1909 from somewhere in New York. I am not capable of translating all that right now, transcribing that, but I will. So very cool. I like this. Let's open up this mystery box from Goodwill. It is especially heavy, so I have no idea what this is. See, the great thing about Goodwill is everything there is so cheap, but they have so much of it, so they don't care. So I can just keep buying stuff from Goodwill. Super inexpensive. And just forget about it. And it takes them a month and a half to get to me. Oh, come on, I just opened the whole thing. Only problem, and hopefully this will not be an example of this, is they are so bad at packaging. They just shove 1,000,000 pounds of paper and peanuts in these things. Alright. Oh! I didn't realize it would get here so soon. You guys are going to see this in an upcoming video. I literally was not expecting to get this so soon. I don't even know where to start. There's a type of cutlass, a training cutlass, practice cutlass. I have made videos on them, trying to analyze what they are and what they could possibly be, and this is one of them that has been destroyed and bastardized and turned into this fake with some bronze paint on this coating, and turned into this costume piece. They scraped all the black paint off the handle. So I was going to use this as a prime example of what not to do with antique swords, but I thought it was also a good example of someone who just cleaned the crap out of a sword. Didn't do a very good job. Now let's see it up close because there's rust everywhere, but like, this is awesome. Oh, I mean, it's not awesome. It's bad that someone would do this to a sword, but it's a prime example. I've got 2 others of this, plus a 3rd blade without the handle or the guard. Of this type of sword, so we're running the gamut in terms of the qualities of this one. This one has been ruined and destroyed, and I love the educational opportunity of what not to do with a sword for this. So I feel like I saved this poor guy from a life of being someone's costume piece. So I did not realize this would come so soon. Very cool. I love these. They're heavy, but they're so well weighted. They're cool. Check it out. I've got a couple old videos of mysterious training cutlass on the YouTube channel, but I plan on redoing it higher quality, especially now. This is going to be in a video. I'm so happy about this. Okay, 2 more things to open. First is my last paper product, and then TREBUCHETS-R-US. I'm so curious about the TREBUCHETS-R-US. But let's open this last one, or this one prior. Paper something. Oh boy. I really don't want to hurt it. They really got to find a better way to ship things without possibly breaking whatever is on the inside. Alright, alright. It's literally taped all the way around. Thanks. Where does this come from? Delaware? Denver? It might be Denver. DE, wherever DE is. Oh, come on. Please don't be something awesome like Thomas Stevens' original signed sword manual. I don't think it would be. That would be so cool. Oh. Oh, it's much bigger than I thought. Here's a prime example. To Ray from Aunt Ethel. How cool is that? This is going to be advertising for Valentine's Day at the Swordsmanship Museum and Academy. This is great. It says, "You know how my heart felt over you, my Valentine." And it's heartfelt. They used to keep a heart on their fencing jackets as a target, made out of felt. So there's a, get it? Get it! Has a little stand on the back too. So this is cute. This is cute. I'm very happy about this. I don't know. It looks like it's moldy or something, but I have no idea when it's from. Probably the 50s or 60s, but I'm digging it. From TREBUCHETS-R-US, 1492 Columbus Avenue. Shipped to me. I don't know what it is. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm so curious. Let's find out. Dun, 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 dun. I hope it's a troll. That's literally what I hope it is. I hope it's like a pile of poop or a dirty diaper or something, and they just wanted to see me unbox it. I really don't do that. That was a bad idea. All right, what have we got? Maybe it is a troll. A radio. What? Uh-huh. This is the most I don't know what this is. It's nothing. It's just a radio. I have no idea. You guys have a great night. You guys have a great week. I'll see you next time. No idea what this is.